Hello everyone, this is Facu Cuevas from Efficient Guitar, and today you're going to learn your first strumming pattern, and you will be playing it in no time. I call it I Can Play Guitar. Why is that? Because I always try to link strumming patterns with phrases in order to make them easy to remember. And it goes like this: I can play guitar, I can play guitar. So for each syllable we're going to do down, down, up, up, down. I can play guitar. First, what I recommend is for you to start doing all downstroke, like I can play guitar, I can play guitar. Once you have that down, we're going to do down, down, up, up, down. I can play, down without strumming, and then guitar. I can play guitar. I can play guitar. Try to repeat it many times, and once you have it down, try to do it with a chord like this. I can play guitar. See? So that's your first strumming pattern. See you next time with more guitar tips.